Can you not see it? That's the shell. So put that egg in here before you put it in there, so you don't mix it. If there's something in the egg, you can take it out. Crack it well. Crack the egg well. Yes. That's it. Yeah, maybe. Not too hard. Yeah, in there. But not too hard. That's it. Let the egg go. See, there's something in there. Watch what you're doing. The egg is dripping everywhere. So if there's something in, you can get it out before putting it in there. Attract it up. Now egg. We don't have whisk, so use a fork in there. Mix it well. Okay, so let me show you. You have to mix it well like this. If you have whisk, it's easy. Understand, right? Since you don't have whisk, we're using this one. We're improvising. So you have to whisk it well together like this. Add a bit more milk. You have to mix it well with a bit of energy. Yeah? Okay. See, now it's all mixed now. Yeah, it's all mixed. Yeah. Everything is mixed together now. Can you see? Trying to teach Coco how to make pancake for herself. So you need this one. So turn it. I'm making pancake. This guy will not leave me unless I do this pancake. Now I'm teaching her, showing her how to do it. So next time she'll do it herself. This is cooking. So you do it like this. Let me show you how you do it. Take your thing like this, yeah? Then you start from the middle, like that. See? Can you see? am going to toast this. Excuse me, guys. So it's a pancake day, everyone. So I'm going to toast this. She's a bit scared when I do that. So let's see how it goes. Eh? Hey, did you see that, guys? Okay. So hello, guys. Our pancake is finished. So what do you think? Next time, can you prepare it yourself? Or next time you make me pancake in bed? Find pancake in bed. I can't wait for that. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our videos, and don't forget to give us a comment and like it, and have a wonderful evening. Bye.